Couture has always been an expression of luxury and personal glory. The phrase haute couture was first used in 1908. This word has never failed to amuse me whenever I went into details and understood the history that this segment has. At our brand Khatre Designers, we strive to keep up with the client's expectations for personal clothing, or you call it couture. Whenever I am to design something, I create a storyboard for myself, how my characters would be and how am I dressing them. It does not really remain restricted to only clothing, but it also involves jewelry, accessories, shoes and the makeup. Through my travels, the places that I visit, try to connect to maximum artisans and antique textile museums so that we can always bring the heritage alive that we inherit from this very noble land. When it comes to bridal couture, modern brides are very sure about what they want for their wedding. They are independent and thoughtful while choosing their bridal ensemble. Our groomsmen are no less. They too have a clear perspective of how they want to look at their wedding day. They tend to choose more elegance and subtleness rather than opting for grandeur and eye-catchy embroidery. To meet this modernistic approach of couture making, we are ready to serve the minute requirements of our clients by offering them the luxury to interfere in even the minute details of their outfits. We welcome all, the individuals, the modernists, the maximalists and the minimalists who take pride in their culture and heritage to come and appreciate the creation of couture at Khatre Designers.